Good morning, children. Jai Hind. Welcome to computer class. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in our last class, we have discussed the uses of computers, means where computers are being used, and I told you to discuss more places, more uses of computer, and I hope you have discussed it with your parents. So in today's class we are going to discuss the difference between computer and calculator. These both are devices. Computer is, as you know, computer is an electronic device. It works with electricity, but calculator works with a battery. We don't need electricity to make use of calculator. So let's discuss what are the differences. So first, calculator. A calculator is a device used for calculating mathematical problems. Means it is a device which is used to solve your maths problems like plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. But children, these calculators are used when your calculation is very big. Means you are not supposed to use it in small calculations when your calculation is very big. So at that time you can take the help of calculator. It is having numbers on it, as you can see. Now, computer is a device used for solving and storing mathematical and other types of problems. Means in calculator we can do only one type of work, that is calculation only. But as you know, in computer we can do any type of work. We can save the things, we can play music, we can do drawing, we can do calculation also. There is calculator inside the computer also. Okay, so this is the first difference between computer and calculator. As you can see, calculator screen is very small as compared to computer screen. So calculator screen is small, but computer screen is big. Now, calculator screen show only numbers, as you can see on the calculator, and it's for calculation only, solving your maths problem only. So we need only numbers. There are only numbers on the calculator. But on computer screen we can see images, videos, numbers, anything we can see on the computer screen. And what we call computer screen, its name is, remember, its name is monitor. Size of calculator. Again, size of calculator is very small as compared to the size of computer. Calculator is smaller in size, computer is bigger in size. Now let's discuss the main differences. Calculator can perform only mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiply, etc. As we have already discussed, that these type of operations, means these type of work we can do on the calculator. Whereas computer can perform operations like playing games, watching movies, sending messages, etc. Whatever work you want to do, you can do on the computer, but we can do only one type of work on the calculator. Calculator cannot store large amount of data. Means whatever work we are doing, when we'll turn off the calculator, that all sums, that all calculation will wash away. But computer can store large amount of data. Whatever you want to save in computer, you can easily save it. Calculator cannot support internet. We don't need internet, and it does not support also, because we can do only mathematical work plus minus sums. But computer can support internet, so we can go to Google and we can search anything on the computer. Calculator has a temporary memory. Means it cannot store for long period of time. As soon as we will do the next calculation, it will not remember the last calculation. But computer has temporary as well as permanent memory. It has both the memories. So the things which we are going to save on computer, they will remain over there until we erase it. So this was all about the difference between computer and calculator. I hope you have understood the differences between the two, and I hope you all have seen also computer and calculator. Rest of the topic we will do in the next class. Thank you.